Ejabusianya ya ka omisi wekwen eye back to back. Say na answer na me tutu kwa. I say asa social media na say onu ma bia ye na fie. I say ye na underground kakra ntina na mo mfa nche me. E bet 2 days some update. But now them about me stationed. It no eye back to back. I was a Kennedy on Agyapong Afari plan people for. In fact, we fire strong one no chirem so obegu NPP party no. July 2027 obegu party no can abekasa or the before abekasa. I rade nyame. Ni na concern Afari hospital ho nsensem. Mo ha no asem host maybe dwema mo ati atwa kire wadwen e de amame. E wo comment section. I penya block media. Mesro say ni di mo. Obe like video da ma bro subscribe button so be click notification icon of latest update am be kire wadwen de amame. E wo comment section. Oba so a no she for enya bia hwe. E ya nala money sending app. Nala. Mo akwantu mu USA be bia wo bia. O peso send ska be fia use nala app no. Wan kasa twe emo bi en first can come on send. Twe app no to phone ko Play Store ko App Store twe to phone so na wan kasa register with or number. O say bia wi a o send ska o so use mimi promo code Penya TV. No one chow a cool $20 solid fa or the chow. Or just twe app no. First send this guy. Use me promo code Penya TV or chow a cool $20. Umpewe. Na be kaya moto. For Nala send this guy. Na yen query. Let's go to the conversation. Abusia, me din kan bro video ba part 1. Part 1 no. Na efa ensem a Kennedy on Agyapong ebeka fa the Afari hospital no. What I say? Mama nchire gwakra. It was in 2008 and NPP government akofo eda no inaugurated the Afari hospital. A 500-bed health facility for the military personnel in Ashanti region. It almost a hospital no ewo Afari. Afari ewo quality to carry road no so. Atwenga ngo biaja district nim ehọ na ewo ana kofo no eye inauguration ana fofi anto de to aba na olusi MPP Lucy na omuko tena fie 8 years and this betena kunyas 8 consecutive years o betena kunyas no betena kunyas no any ato 2016 no Lucy no omuko fie no na the state of the Afari hospital no it was about 36 to 40% complete. How I say it was about 36 to 40% complete ana MPP's MPP betena so no ene almost to aswa luko we 98% completion. I'm on my boama. Ebedi nwa dance here.
Extend a warm welcome to you all to the Afari site of the massive Lacey Hospital.
We have had a very good tour, almost 1 hour 30 minutes, going around Yakoshe. Ejuma aka ewose yeyeno. Yene contractor for na kasa. Yama omo say a check September afiwe die. Ewose start ehwe nipa ewumu. Enti ena eno nso ede ebaye. Enu ti akire omo say omunhia ye won kran next week. Na bibiara ewo ho a edo na esi omo kwan anti omo ntumi anwie a hospital no. Omo ne yen emrameka.
But recently, let's NPP for now has a yemiano, etomunam so edebufu eko hono mo na hono enum ka say na Bahama ban what tie as and the for no because NPP aban na wie hospital we. Adan na wumie anoma nipa nkum yemfa nipa nkuguma still wo si enwie den aka enwie hospital no. There ba de na aka. Eti bie na amanfo nkum ayale fo nkum na yemfa nipa it will serve us an opportunity for employment. That's it. Ebe employ nipa yebe na a cut it down on unemployment rate in Ghana. It mumiano. That's Emma ebeye halabalu go for a whole lot of halabalu eba on the internet na obi I can and I'm so Emma Canada Japan ebe fumi up in fact can ebe jina so blasting people before no.
You know, I was the chairman for Defense and Interior. This hospital, NDC, it was started by President Kufuor, the locations and all those things. NDC came to start it whenever. When we came, I'm an MPP, but I have to tell you the truth. We're talking about Ghana and nobody. We didn't do anything. Read my lips. I'm telling you the gospel truth. I was the chairman for Defense and Interior. When we decided to go and inspect Afari, they stopped us. We didn't go. So I heard somebody talking 15 months. Has Afari Hospital been there for 15 months? We were there for 8 years. You didn't do it. Don't blink your eye. See, we are not doing politics. I'm speaking the truth. This is Ghana. Stop that. We will criticize NDC, we will criticize MPP. That's the only way to go. I was chairman. NDC started this. Why didn't you complete it? You were there for 8 years, you didn't complete it. When somebody comes for 15 months, then you have a problem. Please, give me a break. Ghana, we should love our nation and stop playing politics with everything and do the right thing for the country. And that is what I'm doing. You see, when I mentioned MPP, he was blinking his eye. Why do you want me to criticize NDC and leave MPP? When I know that both parties, they didn't do the right thing for the country. I will end here.
Canada ever can you know. And there was a publication be and you know NDC for even some of nipa ni be time I can say either some of the supporters of Canada Japan and person who set MP party up and now said NDC for ni be and person who cause a problem in the NPP. Almost the AI generate you know something like official statement from the camp of the NPP. Almost the AI and a generator and the AI almost the end part they demand retraction and public apology from Canada or Japan. What I say? Almost the AI and a draft sounds in the same way. And aside that, no, some of the MPP communications and some of the MPP social media activists, no, ever reply can. Say, I can't no correct. Na Jaisa say, wafa MP party no whole tiny idea no. But okay, later now because the AI and a generator now, and on I can who ye. Is a king when I can say here. Anyhow, me apologize. Some is retracted. Our brother can card or petre me. Man can we say Kennedy either before Bekasa. Now way any summer or Trim said by 2027 the or no can. Obegu MPP party no.
So na many honorable Ken or any Agyapong any common ewo ewie. Honorable sir, what a man can ewie ma memoa e mo akwaba e from regiment dey so. I hope say Nyankopon adom udi birthday ni we ye adoya wo ye na utie ni Ghana for eka ahye wo nkran se obesan ato akoso na waye ne sample.
Oh yes, because other hospitals are approaching me almost framing say almost I'm going to buy more and give it to the hospitals. But the entire from me too. Many the more person Ghana ye, the more my young can correct. The Unia Ayabian yet now see Unia men can. Over then I will pray what I say Ghana. If they say, I can't bear first with big. Now, me are disappointed in the army of Abnasa. Say, Mimi, what? Or no, a chairman. Or no, a chairman. Almost sanity who said the banner or the Parliamentary Select Committee on Defense and Interior. A coin. Now, Uncle checking in minutes. Say, she a friend beside or car say, almost I to 85%. Then I hear call my uncle. See, Minia, as some number, NDC for mistake, NPP for mistake. And you Ghana, and you did not to a passo, and you who. Yeah, the only pa, Omo Yaria, Minka, Obi says here, you didn't call China. The refer will be or call India. And this year, yeah. You ever call India and China? Say, Yabian to and I will say, oh, more dainty, put me cut in Opibia. May NPP for them ye better. Men can be here and chill. Now, almost said, Niomo Yano, our campaign, they may they can shut me down. Ghana for person here. Women say almost agenda 111. Almost to be completely back Ukraine. Almost ton contract, you know, and the other people at 10%. Ghana, let me say, again, NPP for they should be careful with me. So maybe you're better. Only a mess beans all over the place. Now, when I catch you, say, me my president, I mean, maybe free me sight, you never know. I'm only thinking of the youth of this country and not NPP. Agenda 111, Mummy Sawom, Sabako Krom Ria. They sold obese contract now. Now I got home. Watching 10%. Anybody to me, we are moving about the criticize the NDC for me, and we're being so day. Contract, Abraham, he said, on ye, now on pure 11%, $55 million or per 11%, and you on pure advance 7%, and so on the amount. Massa, Ghana, Eddie near Kui. Ghana, Eddie near Kui. Politicians, we are deceiving the general public. And Obi and Jimmy come on to. Ah, my jeans everything men Cassania, you know. Obi and Jimmy scare me out of this country. So long as I live, Nami Ghana ni, Nami 2 coin, Nami Musani and Kofo, building Womukura. Me ma Obi and scare me out of Ghana. I'm not afraid of anybody. I will only speak the truth. And so I'm going to do Budin agenda 111, I won't put please, I am Ghana. And then, we are not sorry. Bamuko Hospital already. We have to be fair to Ghanaians. And obviously, we are better. Now, what do I mean? Who can say we are better? Who will be? Who will be? Now, what I catch yourself president, big one. Why in the catch yourself president in Kwan? Anybody, we are more sorry, I'm more quiet, la sulala. I'm more begging businessmen for Sika. Come and see the people that are coming to me. Mina officer, me a better. Opposition, who is talking? Who is talking? Because I think the work to in Amoto. Kasa says here, Yababa the foul. Who is defending NPP? I've been quiet. But Obia to me and Kamikasa Boa and show. My shed out my 18. But Obia Pawanya documents I'm never out. Rather catch them say, be me a bitter.
Honorable, now, 2021 on the issue of galamsey okay say approach a ye use say ye person di to ase no emwa but rather kese say conscientizing the minds of omo ye involved no omo nyina emwa na yetimi etu ase
afetie ni yi omo se me ye better MPP for we couldn't fight galamsey because majority of executives nyina no mo ye galamsey and also woman control a woman platform misro home na mo book country ni sa we are mo na mo be blame obi me better said the way me say me call election me say me win me lose and I really don't care but I'm not going to work for MPP that mean I will have a catch say 10 cents of Canadian Japan and now let me talk me uba private say me abronye enko gina platform senior campaign me attach here enko gina platform senior campaign me address apo enko gina platform senior campaign me chairman sa enko gina platform senior campaign me koka enko gina platform senior campaign you don't put out next year the Makasa you see what will happen in this country. You think I'm afraid of you guys? I am not afraid of anybody. I've decided to keep quiet. But if you push me to the wall, you will see some power. Please. Nobody can scare me in this country. Nobody. Yeah, everyone of my better. Oh, God, you know how much propaganda. More mistakes you want to hear. Say Parliamentary Select Committee on Health. Ranking member, I can say Nkura and you ho. What na 8 years no? Wa hu say Nkura e be ba ho. Adenti na mo be say kana ko. What na 8 years? Wa hu say Nkura e wo ho. And now we be about 15 months there. Wo ko adi Nkura ho. Mo yan say o my Ghana here o. That the youth of this country a day will come they will rise against us. One here, eniyama be si wo Ghana. Ebiasi wo Tunisia no ne yipen. Enti we a politician now please out there when you scar mon koso. Na me ya bitter. This time obi abeka tell me amaka bi a kire no. What do you mean? Abranya who is he? Abranya me. The man is come and correct campaign. Or say bawomia e kofa esiamni amana betu no bi say he na me man. The man car first. And you know what choosing na also was station. Masada Maidi. Me say from June 2027, MPP for no action or Ghana, you will be surprised. And what I am not afraid of any human being. I am Kubong, ne what nobody can intimidate me in this country. We will speak the truth. Anything that is not good for the country, I can Agyapong. I will speak. If it's good for the country, I will speak. Yaba boni pabaso. If you now could defend the NPP, Mr. Sapo, I respect you a lot. But you can't call me a liar when you don't even have the information. Whoever to Parliament, I can meet in the Bayana. Please, I respect you. I will land here. But next time, me ferro, unu reading na me ferro, me bupa. And please, I urge you, information you asan wa bekasa. Anya sa kwaya obefa so akasa, me sima tumi akasa bi. Me nsuro bi ha e wo Ghana. Obi aso mobra enche. Opa bu tu kwaya said yesi, I respect you na bedru ha. Wo obi ti say koka say me ya kwa ni tirim. Oni mu ya beto no. And before we are ready, me see June, July 2027, me no more action. I will Ghana. You'll be surprised. You think I'm stupid? I'm stupid to come and follow you guys again? I'm stupid?
Honorable.
We have a 10 cents of Canadian Japan. No wait and see what will happen. Miss Romo, me catch Romo, me see Miss Romo happening. No wait and see. I've given you the time. Say June 2027, you see action in this country.
Ma yana wase honorable.
Dina ma ye nyina no. Tieni. Omunko ready, omunko tie Kenny Rogers. Minimum your friend the gambler. Now omun samu nyansa. Omun hu ni enti amema yeti. I know when to run and I know when to hit. Omun ni me eba wo mo fini. Now this is mission. I say I bring up our needs and food Ghana. Minimum opia obetadi. Obi a me feed you. Onyan hu ni abato no Ghana. Onyan hu abranya. Now I will deal with him at my own time. Be amabodi di be a chairman sir. Opa chairman sir and papa in there. And the Kumasi Afari. Don't give me anya. Useless people.
Honorable ma ye no ase na ye mfansia emrepam ye besan ba na ye di nkomo Honorable Ken ohene Agyapong
aba busian we abaya asem sebe Canada dia before abekasa ozo begu party no eda ase na beko to 2027 June July ye wo ha de besi bia no eba abedwamo amwatas na in case MP for answer by reply Ken so a eba bedwamo amwatas until then use Nala app ever send this car using promo code Penya TV or better $20 free. I Penya Block Media Accra.